Welcome back to another crypto video, guys. Today we're gonna look at Harmony 1 because it looks like we're getting a nice bullish reversal, about to retest some key resistance levels. We've also got some really critical news in for Harmony 1 at the moment, which is going to help contribute to its total value lock. So do stick around for this video if you want to see the price prediction, what I think is going to happen with Harmony 1, and why it's really a great layer 1 infrastructure project. You can see here crypto is looking absolutely great at the moment. We've got some all-time classics, some real OGs pumping really hard today. We've got 70% on our lovely Ethereum Classic. We've got Avalanche up 30%. We've also got Aave up 36%. Everything is looking really, really strong at the moment in the crypto market. And this could be the beginning of the impulse from this potential floor price that we've seen in the market right now. So the bit of news that I wanted to share with you is Unite Finance brings fully decentralized arcade to Harmony 1. So it sounds like a bit of play to earn, as we can see right here. Unite Finance is the first project to create an algorithmic stablecoin in the crypto space. Unlike other projects where collateralization of fiat currency is required to peg value, Unite algorithmically pegs with Harmony 1. The primary currency of the Harmony mainnet looks really, really good actually. Unite reached a total value locked $30 million just over 10 days after the launch, onboarded thousands of users at the same time. Unite is now looking to gamify the experience for users by adding several other features like arcade games and possibly even decentralized casinos. So we can see here the crypto fear and greed index is just sitting around 26 at the moment. I mean, we're still looking pretty strong considering how much fear we've got going on in the market right now. It actually looks really good. And we can see we've got 1.9 billion total value locked. So we're just slowly slumping away really. We've still got most of that in the DeFi kingdoms, and we did see Jewel as well, the native utilities token there. We saw it get a nice pump as well. So 425 million still locked in on DeFi kingdoms, and we still have a lot on other sort of automated market makers as well as decentralized exchanges. You see Shop being one of them. We see Tranquil Finance being another as well. So here's the price of Harmony. We rank 69 and God, market cap 1.7 billion. So basically looks like we are still sitting pretty undervalued right now. The trading volume is very small. It's barely even 10% of the total market cap. And looking a year back, we can see, we've gone all the way from $0.34 and we're down back to 0.14. So almost a 70% correction there. We can see on the 2 weeks, we are up 13%, however. So what I'm really seeing for Harmony 1 at the moment is that we're still under the bull market support band. You can see we're quite far from that bull market support band on the daily time frame. This is where we got a bullish crossover, and this is where things sort of turned around, where we did come up and try to retest the all-time high at 0.38, but we got rejected. We saw the capitulation, and then we saw a massive downtrend out of this rising wedge. So what's happened is we come all the way, we found support at this $0.10 level. We did bounce, we got a rising wedge, and unfortunately it's just not enough. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, we can see, I was speaking about this in a recent video, we had this ascending triangle, and what happened is we just got an immediate V-shaped recovery. So you've got this sentiment of bullishness and euphoria, and immediately the logic is invalidated. I imagine people could have got liquidated here, but then the market just reverses anyway, and we're back to exactly where we were, putting through the high highs and also the higher lows at the same time. So it does look typically quite good, and I'm feeling quite bullish for Harmony at the moment. If we also take a look at what the resistance is, it's 0.14, almost like a cup and handle position here as well, guys. I can actually point this out to you just in a second. So if we get our arc, we can see here we've got the arc, and also if you want to draw in your handle for the cup, it would be simply just like this. So the cup really does signify a nice supply phase and a bit of reaccumulation. There's our cup, there's our handle, and we did break to the upside of that. So the key area now is to be looking at the actual neckline of the cup, which is around here. So if we break through this $0.1386 mark, that's when we can see continuation to possibly 0.142 before putting through another high and maybe even retargeting the $0.16 level over here. So that's another key area to look out for. Just want to say, guys, if you are new here as well, smash subscribe and also hop into the Discord channel. There's almost 200 people here now, all very like-minded people covering DeFi trading, so go have a chat with them if you just want to make some new friends. So really, Harmony 1 I'm extremely bullish for. Still, it does look like we found support on this daily time frame exactly where we needed to. And if we do bring up this fib, you can see we've come just below this 0.618 and between the 0.786 fib retracement. We bounced just on that 0.786, which is just where we need to bounce. What I've also marked in is this white line. I've connected this to these two very big areas of resistance, which also draws down to here as well. And I think that's going to be one of our first hurdles, is that 16 cents price resistance, because once we do, it's almost like you're putting through a slanted double bottom. You're trying to break out of that, you know, that declined resistance. As you can see, it's a big diagonal resistance, so that's what we're looking out for as well. Just before I leave, I thought I would leave a bit of love for the Crypto Calls Telegram, because they are putting through some solid trading action at the moment, both short and long positions. As you can see here, lots of people are thriving from big potential gains. So if you want to check out their Telegram and get access to those long and short positions, do check the link down below as well. Also consider becoming a patron to the channel if you want to support the community and the growth. You'll unlock one-on-one messaging, a crypto ebook, and also access to giveaways now the channel is monetized. So yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. Have a great day and see you soon.